Hey guys, okay, well, I've gotten a lot of comments on my other channel on the Rolling in the Deep one, and it's in my room, and the words that, I'm singing, they, they separate from what the song is, the sound comes before the video or something, so it looks like I'm lip-syncing, but I'm really not, so I promise you I'm really not lip-syncing, um, but the channel I'm talking about is jswante. Same, basically my same username except for instead of the C there's a J, and but basically that's not me lip syncing. It's just that my camera was really messed up that day, and I don't know if it's gonna happen with this video or not. But if it does, just want you to know that I'm really not lip syncing. My camera is just retarded. Okay. Well, today I just realized I sing a lot of Adele. Have you noticed that? Whatever. I'm gonna sing "Set Fire to the Rain" by Adele. Uh, so yeah, hope you like it. I let it fall, my heart, and as it fell, you rose to claim it. It was dark, and I was over until you kissed my lips and you saved me. My hands, they're strong, but my knees were far too weak. Stand in your arms without falling to your feet. But there's a side to you that I never knew all the things you'd say. They were never true, in the games you'd play. You would always win, always win. But I set fire to the rain, watch it pour as I touch your face. Well, it burned while I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name, your name. When I lay with you, I could stay there, close my eyes, feel you here. Forever, you and me together, nothing gets better. 'Cause there's a side to you that I never knew all the things you'd say. They were never true in the games you play. You would always win, always win. But I set fire to the rain, watched it pour as I touched your face. Well, it burned while I cried, 'cause I heard him screaming out your name. I set fire to the rain, and I threw us into the flames. Well, it felt something died, 'cause I heard that was the last time, the last time. Sometimes I wake up by the door, that heart you call must be waiting for you. Even now when you're already over, I can't help myself from looking for you. I set fire to the rain, watch it pour as I touch your face. Well, it burned while I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name, your name. I set fire to the rain, and I threw us into the flames. Well, it felt something died, 'cause I knew that was the last time, the last time. Oh, let it burn. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked it. Now my voice is all hoarse from singing all those high notes, but whatever. Who cares? I sang it. Okay, bye.